Hey guys, welcome back. I'm about to head to Starbucks because I'm really thirsty, and I'm gonna stop by Meijer because there's a shirt I want there for the first day of school, which is tomorrow, and we're resetting my room today because it's a literal disaster. But yeah, come along with me. The bathroom, but then we're gonna go to Kohl's because I need a shirt for school and I can't find any here. And the one I was gonna get here, my boobs would pop out of. So I decided not to get that one. And I'm just gonna go to Kohl's and see if I can find something there. Okay, I'm now back home. And I think I'm gonna start cleaning my room because this is what it looks like. So I think I'm gonna start on that. So I think I'm just gonna go around and pick up all my dirty laundry. And then I also have this pile in my room that needs to go to Goodwill. So if I have time today, then I'm gonna go drop that off at Goodwill. I don't want to clean, but yeah. So far, I have all my clean laundry laid out. And then I have this whole area cleaned. Don't look at the hole in my wall. And then Hazel, I have all of this. So I feel like I'm pretty close to being done, except like all my deep cleaning stuff. Like I have all my laundry in the wash and all of that. So once my laundry gets done, I'm gonna put all my bedding in. Okay, I just went through all my socks and I have this pile of like matched ones and then I have this pile of unmatched ones. So I'm gonna wait until my other ones get out of the washer and dryer just to see like if they have matches, and if not, I'm gonna put them in like, we have like a basket, like if they don't have matches, they go in the basket. So yeah, now I'm going to organize all of my shorts, and I think there's some pajama pants in there, and then I'm gonna put all my clothes away. Okay, so now that I have all my shorts organized on like, if they're pajama pants, athletic shorts, whatever, I'm gonna go put them in their drawers. So I'm gonna put like all my pajama shorts in my short drawer. Okay, so this is my pajama drawer, so I'm gonna organize it real quick because it's just so messy and it needs organized. Okay, this is it now. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm just gonna do the rest of my clothes. Okay, so basically I took a break and ate some lunch, and I'm gonna go check to see if my laundry's done, and if it is, wonderful. But I'm probably gonna start cleaning my vanity. I lit a candle, so that's like going and making my room smell good. But I think I'm gonna work on my vanity next. I have a friend coming over to pick up like graduation gifts that we just forgot to give her. So she's gonna come over and get that, and then I'm gonna organize my vanity and do all my laundry and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I'm just laying in bed right now, and I'm waiting for my laundry to get done. And then, so after all my laundry is done, I'm gonna put all of like my new clothes that I've gotten in like the past like few weeks or whatever. And I'm gonna put it in the pile, and then I'm gonna give you guys a haul, and then I'm also gonna post it on TikTok and everything. So yeah, I just thought I should update you guys. And then yeah, I think it should almost be done though. So okay, I just got my last load of laundry, so I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I do still have to do my vanity, so, and I need a vacuum and put my clothes away. But that's it. I'm not gonna record any of that, but yeah, thanks for spending the day with me.